All right, here we have a package just came in. This is parts from a not BMW, 2004 Mini Cooper. It came from Virgin Islands, so we can go ahead and cut another key with a chip and program it into the box. We'll come back shortly. All right, this Mini Cooper is done. Here's the original key. As you see, it's a little floppy, but the remote didn't work anyway. So we ended up just cutting a regular key, putting a chip in it, and it's now programmed to the box. So y'all need our help, give us a call or go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.